So what you see right now is my external monitor. This monitor is connected via an HDMI cable to my laptop. Now, right now, everything works fine, and the computer is responsive, and whenever I do stuff, it responds. As expected. Now, as soon as I turn off the built-in display of the laptop and only leave the external monitor on, Ubuntu slows to a crawl. It's just not usable. So let's try to do it. I'm using XFCE. If you're using GNOME or KDE, it will look a bit different, but the idea is always the same. Now, as you can see here, I can choose between the built-in display of the laptop itself and my external monitor. And right now, both of them are on, which is represented by this state button, which is blue, which means that this monitor is on. So the laptop is on, and so is the external monitor. But as I said, if I turn off the built-in monitor of the laptop itself, everything becomes extremely slow. It's just not usable. So for example, if I try to open a folder, it takes several seconds to just open it. So the first step to fix it will be turning on both of the monitors and mirror them, so they will display the very same thing. And as soon as I turn on the built-in monitor, things run smoothly once again. But if you only want the external monitor to be on, there is a solution for this as well. So I googled it a bit, and I found this question on the Ask Ubuntu forums, and basically they give the solution here, so I leave a link in the video description below so you can look for yourself. But to sum it up, we need to do two things. First, we have to make sure that we have the latest Nvidia drivers. To do that, I'm going to look for drivers and choose additional drivers. And make sure that you have the latest driver installed, where it says proprietary tested. You can also do it from the terminal with the Ubuntu drivers command. And you want to run this command with the auto install flag. I already ran this command, so I won't do it again, but that's the first step. Once you're done with the driver installation, restart the computer. Once again, I already have the latest driver, so I won't do it now. The second step is directly from the Nvidia application. So let's look for it. And here we're going to choose Prime Profiles, which is the last option. And as you can see right now, the on-demand option is selected. We need to change it. So the first option will be selected, which is Performance Mode. And I need to type in my password. And it takes about a minute or so. And now we need to restart the computer again. As soon as you restart the computer, you will be able to turn off the laptop's display, so only the external monitor will be on, and things will run smoothly.